Hi, everybody. It's Jessica Stone at Stansberry Research, and I've got John Doody here from Gold Stock Analyst. And John, we are seeing some major moves in gold, as a lot of people watching know, but now we're seeing Warren Buffett get in on the action. Why is the Oracle of Omaha buying gold?
Well, you could argue it's just for diversification. They have almost $150 billion in cash. They spent $500 million to buy some shares in Barrick, which is a trivial amount. I mean, you don't do anything with $500 million when you've got that amount of cash. So I think it's just kind of get your toes wet. They bought Barrick, which arguably is the best stock for him to buy.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you about what you think of that choice.
Well, there really aren't very many choices big enough for them to get in and out of if they want to get out. Newmont would be the other one. But Barrick has new management. The best operator at the C-suite level is in the business is Mark Bristow, who came over with the Randgold acquisition. Mark is a really tough operator. He's done a great job. It's amazing what he's been able to do in Africa, where Africa is notoriously tough to operate in. The way to play gold stocks is not by the big ones. It's by the ones that have growth prospects, are growing, and have a pipeline. You can see where next year's production is coming from. And Barrick, it's really tough. They're at 6 million plus ounces a year. It's really tough to grow above that.
You know, you're always watching what the Fed is doing because of the relationship between Fed action and gold prices. What are you looking at now on the horizon? We know that there could be a change in how the Fed treats inflation. What's your read on that situation?
All talk, no action. They're not going to do anything. The only tool they have is really to raise interest rates, and they're not going to raise interest rates down here. They're at the floor. The Fed, no question, it has an enormous impact on gold price. The Fed killed the gold price rally in 1980 at $850 an ounce. They jacked up interest rates to 20%. And gold, which doesn't have any yield, competes against the interest rates that the U.S. gets on its debt or pays on its debt. But for 20% down to today's nothing percent, gold, in the last few years has really taken off.
We're starting to see a lot more fund managers surveyed saying they don't see a V recovery, but a double dip recession. Do you think that we're going to get more opportunities to buy gold at good prices as a result of that?
I think today is the opportunity. Our price forecast is $3,000 an ounce. So that's a 50% increase from here.
Do you expect more volatility going forward, though? Or do you think it's just a straight shot to that 3,000?
Oh, no, there's going to be some ups and downs, no question about it. But, I don't want to create any controversy, but I expect Biden to win. And I expect that'll give gold another shot in the arm, because the Democrats aren't going to do anything to harm the economy, and they'll try to do more things to boost it. So that means more deficit spending. The dollar, the strength of the dollar is really the counter to gold. And when the dollar is strong, gold tends to be weak, and vice versa. The dollar was very strong in 1980 because interest rates were sucking dollars in from the rest of the world to get that 20%. Now there's no reason why any investor, non-US or US, should buy US dollars or US dollar investments, because they can't get any return on it.
All right. So if Biden-Harris wins, you think it's going to be fantastic for the gold markets. Do you think you'll revise where you think gold can be headed if, in fact, Biden-Harris does win?
Well, this gold bull market...
Is the top still at 3,000, or is it higher? I'm trying to pin you down here. You're being kind of squirrely. Do we go above 3?
Oh, we're going definitely. My actual written prediction is 3,463.
Okay, so the top is not 3, it's about 3,400.
Yeah, but 3,400, 3,000 is a nice, easy to talk about. People get scared if you talk 5 and 10,000. People say, "Are we going to see that?" Those
numbers have never scared you, John Doody. You like those big numbers.
Yeah, well, when you say, "Are we going to get to 5,000 or 10,000?" I say, "Yeah, probably, but not in my lifetime. Hopefully yours."
I know. I like that. I always like that when you tell me that, because I think that that gives me a nice long horizon to get
You've
there.
got a long horizon, yeah.
All right. Thanks to you, John Doody. And if you would like more uplifting commentary from John Doody, we'll connect you directly to his product at Gold Stock Analyst. Just hover on your screen for that. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.